Whoa, just came out. And look at the fog. It has covered the whole area of the mountain. When someone is standing afar, you can't see the person. Yeah, at first I was at my backyard when I videoed the first one. But this one, I've come out to go and buy certain stuff. And when someone is standing afar, it's very difficult for you to see the person. And that means I need my effort. If you happen for a guy, if you are a thumbs up, let me see your hands. Because the weather alone at Akuapim is very different. And that's the dormitory of the Larteh Presby boys. Yeah, that's the dormitory of the Larteh Presby boys. You can see some of them. I think today is Sunday, so they are going for church service. Yeah, and some of the girls too. And their dormitory is opposite the Larteh Hospital, the Larteh Health Center Hospital. Their dormitory is just opposite the Larteh Health Center. We are touring my hometown, guys. Here's the hospital, the clear view of it. If you are an Akuapim, just let me see your hands. Thumbs up, thumbs up. Akuapim for a guy, a G. And I'm going closer to their school, their main building. Larteh Presby boys. I'm going closer to their main building. So the fog is now leaving us. So I think till 5. It started around dawn, and I woke up around 6 to see it all over the mountains. But the fog is gradually leaving. It's gradually going. Hey, nyame sane nyuma yefu. Nyame hu ye hu rough. Na nso ni pain sro nyame. Just me ba mountains iso na me hu say yes. Nyame hu. Look at its valley cry alone. Hey. So nice and beautiful. Beautiful greener pastures of Akuapim. Yeah, the fog is leaving us. Gradually it's leaving. It's gradually leaving. It's gradually leaving. It's gradually leaving us. It has get to the tip of the mountain, so left it to leave the tip of the mountain, then we can see the mountain and its view clearly. So now, if you happen for me a guy, what's it? Hey, living in this environment is key. Everyone would even like to come and live here or reside here. If you happen for more, a JB, Mansabia, or Tobia, where are you all? Mo a guy, what's it? Mukrum we a G, Mukrum we a fe. Mo chrome. More chrome pa.